I want to show you what's in my bag. Hi guys, it's me, Dewi. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you guys have been here before. Lately ni I banyak tengok what's in my bag video dekat YouTube. Sebelum ni I ada post unboxing video of this bag from 8 angles. I think that is how you pronounce nama dia 8 angles. Tell me how to pronounce that. I know this is number 8 and this is angles, but are you supposed to connect it? Pronounce it as 8 angles? Like, tell me. But anyway, this is the bag. I don't know, what do you call this bag? Okay, dia macam, it's a shoulder bag. Dia tak ada tali panjang. Dia tali panjang ke? Ada. I show in the video dia ada tali panjang. But I have been using this shorter strap and this is how it looks like. I have my husband right here hanging inside Kuromi. Dia datang dengan this heart-shaped tag. And I sangkut my glasses here. What else? This one I got another Kuromi. Because I freaking love Kuromi. And then there's this, what do you call this? A chain? Like this dangling stuff. It's a really pretty shade of purple. I really love this bag. And it's quite spacious. Dia ada banyak pockets. Tepi ni semua ada 4 pockets. It's real pockets. So it's usable. Dia bukan macam tipu-tipu punya pockets. So the first pocket right here, I have my earbuds. And the other pocket, I have my empty pill box. I will refill my supplements in this kalau I nak makan kat luar ke, because I have to take my vitamins and supplements after my meal, so I always pack them inside this one. I happen to have like yang 7 days a week punya pill box too. This one is Saturday, but I just use it to like match my bag. I have a pink one, green one, yellow one, so it will just match with whatever feeling I have today. I tak guna ikut hari, I just guna ikut warna yang enak. Berat juga. It's quite big. I have everything you need. Okay, the first thing I have is a pen. Sometimes you don't know when you need a pen to take note of something. This is the Miniso punya blind box pen. I got the, what you call this one? RJ. I also have a Shuki one. I don't know if you can see. It's somewhere up there. Tu, yang turquoise color. That one is Shuki. And then I got to have my snack because sometimes I makan lambat and I lapar, so I like this one. This is Snickers yang 50% less sugar compared to regular peanut Snickers. This one is the almond one with dark chocolate. I suka gila ni. And then I got my power bank. This one is from Kula. But BCS pun ada power bank yang macam ni. Then I have my phone. I have 2 phones actually. So one is the one I'm using right now and this is my other phone. I have another fan that also can be used as a power bank. So kalau power bank tadi dah habis, I will use this one. Got a hand sanitizer. My wallet. This one is like RM10 ke RM12 macam tu. It's super cute. Dia ada rabbit shape dekat situ. It used to have like a puff, like bunny tail punya keychain tapi dah hilang. It's a trifold wallet. Ada gambar my boyfriend here. Card slots. And then money slots. I really like, I dah pakai ni lama, macam setahun lebih kot. And it still looks super good. And then I have my makeup toucher bag. This is from Miniso. It's the BT21 Universe Star punya pouch. I still have the tag. I dah pakai ni lama, but I still keep the tag on it. Like, whatever. I have my Is HD Skin Matte. I pakai code FAIR01 white chocolate. It comes with a puff, so I don't need to bring a puff. And then I got 2 lip products. This one is a Flower Nose punya lip tint. And this one is the She Glam Powerpuff Girl punya lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. And then I have 2 perfume. Yang pink ni I refill dengan Yara Candy. And this one is a sample size from my Konos. This one is their matcha latte. I have a bunch of receipts. For my car keys, I letak dekat this pocket. Sebab kadang-kadang kita pergi kereta kan macam korek. It's quite dangerous tau. Macam kita berdiri dekat car park tu lama-lama korek baik cari car keys. I put inside this designated pocket so I know kat mana nak terus grab. And then the last item is this one. Can you guys guess what this is? It looks like a card holder. It looks like a card holder or wallet or something like that. But this is actually a tripod. This is my phone punya casing, I use a Samsung phone, so dia tak ada built-in MagSafe thing. So, the magnetic ring on my casing, and you can actually stick this onto the phone and use it like your tripod. Macam ni. You can fold it like this to take selfies. Boleh tegak macam ni to be your tripod. Also, you boleh buka this one and you can make it stand that, like stand to be like a phone holder or a tripod as well. And the best thing is that and yeah, it's really thin, senang nak bawa masuk pocket pun boleh. I'll put the link in the description box below. I akan letak semua link untuk all the products I tunjuk in case you guys are interested, but if not, whatever. As you can see now, it's empty, so that is all I had in my bag. Korang nampak banyak gila barang boleh muat in this bag. It looks pretty small and cute, but believe me, dia boleh muat macam banyak barang. Like, look at that. Oh, I lupa tadi, I ada this keychain. So yeah, that's the bag. So that's all for the video today. Let me know what you guys think. If you want the bag, I akan letak link dekat description box juga. And yeah, I guess that is all. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Bye guys. Bye.